Today's project is going to be an Expedition Everest buzzard that flies over the mountain, except it's going to be flying out of our flower beds is what it's going to be doing. But what I've got is some old sheets of foam. Some of it's packing, some of it's from other projects. Again, junk, total junk. And I'm going to be using my foam cutter, and then I'll sculpt it, paint it, put it on a frame, and it's going to fly right out of our flower beds. Well, I'm starting to get the layout of my bird. I've got an idea of where the wings are going, starting to shape the body a little bit. I used a sander to do most of the smoothing out of rounded edges. Then I came back with a hot knife and carved in the details in the feathers and the face. Most of this is going to be viewed from below with a little bit of distance. I'm hoping some of the connection points won't show as well. We are almost ready for paint. I just have to smooth out some of the Great Stuff foam in some of the areas where it bulged out. 5-year-old lumpy paint. Honey, that paint's probably 15 years old.
We'll get it there. I've got some screens and filters here.
It's amazing what you can do. Nice. Okay, so Corey sprayed a base. We're going to let that dry, and then I will do dry brushing over the top to bring out some of the sculpt. We're going to have an Everest buzzard. That's going to be kind of cool. Okay, that's what the bird looks like once she's all painted, and we'll be flying into our gardens. We got ourselves a bird. May not be exact to the one at Everest, but not too shabby for junk and front yard Halloween decorations. Yay! I'm done. I think I'm done, right?
I think so. It looks great.
Thank you.